Imagine a world where fresh, delicious food is abundant. Picture towering vertical farms, bathed in the glow of LED lights, growing crops year-round. Envision labs where scientists cultivate meat without harming a single animal. This is not science fiction. This is the future of food, driven by technology and a deep respect for our planet. We are on the cusp of a revolution in food production. Innovations like vertical farming, lab-grown meat, and AI-powered agriculture offer tantalizing solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. These technologies hold the potential to reshape our relationship with food, making it more sustainable, equitable, and secure for generations to come. The future of food is a story of human ingenuity and our capacity for innovation. It's a story of how we can use technology to nourish our growing population while protecting the planet we call home. Join me as we explore this exciting frontier where science fiction meets the dinner plate. Our current food system is unsustainable. It's a system straining under the weight of a burgeoning global population, climate change, and resource depletion. Traditional agriculture, while essential, has a significant environmental footprint. Vast amounts of water are needed to irrigate crops. Forests are cleared to make way for farmland, contributing to deforestation and habitat loss. Agricultural practices are major contributors to greenhouse gas emissions, further exacerbating climate change. We need a new approach, one that produces more food with fewer resources. We need a system that minimizes environmental harm while ensuring food security for all. This is where the power of innovation comes into play. Imagine skyscrapers transformed into fertile fields, where crops grow in vertically stacked layers, bathed in the glow of LED lights. This is the promise of vertical farming, a revolutionary approach to agriculture that's taking root in urban centers around the world. Vertical farms offer numerous benefits. They use significantly less water than traditional farming, as water can be recycled and reused within a closed-loop system. Because crops are grown indoors, vertical farms eliminate the need for pesticides and herbicides, protecting both human health and the environment. However, vertical farming faces challenges, particularly in terms of energy consumption and scalability. The use of artificial lighting requires significant energy, and replicating the system on a large scale to feed entire populations remains a complex endeavor. Despite these hurdles, vertical farming offers a promising solution, particularly for urban areas seeking to enhance food security and reduce their environmental impact. Section 4. Cultivating change. The promise of lab-grown meat. Imagine a world where we can enjoy the taste of meat without the ethical and environmental baggage associated with factory farming. This is the vision driving the development of lab-grown meat, also known as cultivated meat. Scientists can now cultivate meat directly from animal cells, eliminating the need to raise and slaughter animals. This technology has the potential to revolutionize our food system, significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions associated with livestock, conserving land and water resources, and improving animal welfare. While lab-grown meat holds immense promise, it faces challenges in terms of cost and consumer acceptance. Scaling up production to make it commercially viable and affordable is crucial. Additionally, addressing consumer perceptions and concerns about the technology is paramount to its widespread adoption. Section 5. AI in the fields. Sowing the seeds of a technological revolution. Imagine a world where robots work tirelessly in the fields, guided by artificial intelligence to optimize every aspect of food production. This is the potential of AI and automation in agriculture, technologies poised to transform the way we grow our food. AI-powered sensors can monitor crop health, soil conditions, and weather patterns, providing farmers with real-time data to make informed decisions. Robots can plant, weed, and harvest crops with precision, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. These advancements have the potential to increase yields, reduce labor costs, and minimize the environmental impact of agriculture. However, the rise of AI and automation in agriculture raises concerns about job displacement. As machines become more sophisticated, there is a risk that human workers may be displaced, particularly those in manual labor roles. Addressing this challenge through retraining programs and creating new job opportunities in the agricultural technology sector will be crucial. Section 6. Printing our plates, the culinary potential of 3D printing. Imagine a world where we can print personalized meals tailored to our exact nutritional needs, using ingredients that would otherwise go to waste. This is the tantalizing possibility of 3D printed food, a technology that's pushing the boundaries of culinary innovation. 3D food printers work by extruding layers of edible materials such as purees, pastes, and powders to create intricate and customized food designs. This technology has the potential to revolutionize food preparation, reducing food waste by using ingredients that might otherwise be discarded, and enabling the creation of personalized meals tailored to specific dietary requirements. While 3D printed food is still in its early stages of development, it holds immense potential to transform the way we think about food preparation and consumption. As the technology advances and becomes more affordable, it could revolutionize home cooking, restaurant dining, and even space exploration, offering astronauts a way to enjoy nutritious and appealing meals during long-duration missions. Section 7. Feeding the Future, a recipe for innovation and sustainability. The future of food is not about choosing one technology over another. It's about embracing a multifaceted approach, a recipe that combines the best of innovation and sustainability. It's about recognizing that technology is a tool, a powerful tool, that we can wield to address the challenges facing our food system. Vertical farms can transform urban landscapes into productive agricultural hubs, providing fresh, local produce to city dwellers. Lab-grown meat offers a more humane and sustainable alternative to factory farming. AI and automation can empower farmers with the tools and data they need to optimize yields and minimize environmental impact. And 3D printed food has the potential to revolutionize food preparation, reducing waste, and enabling personalized nutrition. The challenges we face are complex and interconnected, demanding innovative solutions that push the boundaries of what's possible. By embracing the power of technology, supporting sustainable practices, and fostering a global spirit of collaboration, we can create a future where everyone has access to nutritious, affordable, and sustainably produced food. The future of food is in our hands. Let's make it a delicious one.